lateral pull down with toning tube. You'll need a toning tube for this exercise. Begin by securing the band around an overhead object that is secure. Holding each handle with your arms fully extended at shoulder width apart, sitting or standing depending on the height of the attachment, squeeze your shoulder blades and bend your elbows, bringing your hands down to your chest level. Slowly return your arms to starting position. Exhale as you pull the bands tighter and lower your arms. Keep your core tight and visualize your shoulder blades moving together. Repeat this exercise 10 to 15 times.